What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 2011 GT500. It's got the D5 bead locks on it. It's got the 14 tail light conversion. It was all assembled at MandMperformance in Castroville. I'm running 17 by 10s in the back. I believe it's 18 by 5 in the front. As far as the exterior, it's pretty much stock. So a quick rundown before I show you guys what it made on the dyno. This is the setup we dynoed in. So the last time I made this video updating you guys on what I did after I blew the motor, I had the 2.8 pulley on 91, I believe. I wasn't on 85 yet. I was still data logging. I was running into some issues with misfires and shit, and yeah, I pretty much got all that fixed. And right now we're running a 2.6 on E85. The 2.6 is like mid-effort, I guess, for this blower. So yeah, this is pretty much what we dynoed on. For those of you that are new to the channel or don't know my current setup, I'm running a VMP Gen 3R. I got the twin Ford Performance throttle body. I believe it's a 65 twin, and a JLT intake 123. I am running a foreinovations fuel system. It's a double pump. I'm running 1000 cc thick injectors, FIC injectors. I am also running, well, I got long tubes. I don't know if you can see them, but I got long tube headers. I believe they're called LTH long tubes. I did add a new tronic exhaust. I'll make another video for that. But what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. It is a built motor, heads and cams, ported heads. It's got stage 3 comp cams. I believe it's a combination of MMR and comp cams. I guess their specs or whatever on their cams. Yeah, anyways, this is what it made in the dyno on the next video.
Stay on this side or on that side when it's moving, or you can go to the back.
Aquí está bien. Can't even see. 857. So I wasn't gonna dyno the car, but I ended up doing it just because I wanted to know what I was making right off the bat. I mean, I did blow the motor up, and I pretty much ran the 2.8 and the 2.6 so I could just get this car running. I didn't have a goal in mind. I did want to run, actually I did wanted to run the 2.4 with the 10% lower, which was what I had on the Trinity before, which was max effort on the blower. But I had to see how, make sure I broke in the car, get the miles in on the engine, and yeah, so now we're ready to turn up the boost. I believe we're sitting around I want to say anywhere from 16 to 18 pounds of boost. With the 2.4 and the 10% overdrive, we should be around, I want to say 22, 23 pounds. So yeah, check it out. So as you guys can see, we made 857 to the wheels. That's uncorrected. It's good power. It feels good. I mean, it's good power. My goal with this car is to, you know, make it a street car. What's the point in having 1200, 1300 horsepower? The car's capable of handling it, and I could probably make it pretty easy if I threw a 15%, 20% overdrive and a 2.4 pulley. But I mean, what would be the purpose if I can't control the car anymore at that point? For stock suspension, stock drive shaft, stock everything. I mean, I just wanted a car for road racing, make it a street car. Just something I can still take my girlfriend out on a date, you know? It's just, if you can't drive it in the rain and you can't, you know, enjoy the car whenever you want, at that point it's not a street car anymore. So, you know, you want to be able to drive your car, have the reliability, enjoy the car. Yeah, guys, well, I want to thank all of you guys that watch and support the build. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate everyone that's been here for the process of the car, of the build. I will be uploading a little more. I'm just kind of waiting on some better quality camera, and maybe get a GoPro or something so I can get some POVs, do some walkthroughs. So yeah, thank you guys.